Digging Minecraft style. Minecraft style. Digging a hole just one more time until I score this. Strike rich on diamonds, iron, gold, and build our decked out fortress. All we need is just a bit of luck to not abort this. Running low, we can't afford this. Dungeons under here. Just the last time a group of creepers came out over there. Blew up a vein of diamonds, then chased us all out of there. A spider army dropped down from the roof into our hair. Ran back to fresh air. This ain't your land, you're gonna get banned. So you know, when you plan to go, when you're digging, you better listen. So you know, when you're gonna show, making sure you're all prepared before you go. Digging Minecraft style. Minecraft style. Dig, 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 dig. Digging Minecraft style. Minecraft style. Dig, 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 dig. Digging Minecraft style. Hey, sexy pig. Dig, 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 dig. Digging Minecraft style. Hey, sexy pig. Dig, 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 dig. Back on the ground we lay in redstone through the forest to wire our monster trap so all the zombies will ignore us. We build the city block by block and we don't welcome tourists, but they still come looking for us. Like a sauna hair, we built a portal to the nether, lava everywhere. Zombie pigs and gas flying all around, so tread with care. Best you craft some armor and exchange that for the clothes you wear while you're under here. Lava flowing, those lakes are glowing down below. You should probably go, but you're ready. Your arms are steady. Grab your bow, shoot me to blow. Run away now 'cause you missed, you were too slow. Digging Minecraft style. Minecraft style. Dig, 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 dig. Digging Minecraft style. Minecraft style. Dig, 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 dig. Digging Minecraft style. Hey, sexy pig. Dig, 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 dig. Digging Minecraft style. Hey, sexy pig. Dig, 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 dig. Dig some more until you hit the core. Diamonds, diamonds, baby, that's what we're all looking for. Dig some more until you hit the core. When you find them, baby, then you know it's time to see the game we're playing. Digging Minecraft style. Sexy pig. Dig, 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 dig. Digging Minecraft style. Sexy pig. Dig, 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 dig. Digging Minecraft style.
But don't dig straight down, you'll regret that. But now you feel brave, equipped with your spade to roam in these caves. Not looking for gold, this does purple, or so I've been told by some people. I'll find a few bricks where the two of these mix with a couple of clips. I'll be swinging my picks. This is all the prep that I go through. Even if my tools are just make do, moving to the nether. I'm moving to the nether. I'm moving to the nether. 10 blocks is the magical total. That's enough to build on my portal. Moving to the nether. I'm moving to the nether. I'm moving to
chair, have a cold beer, you can live by the sea. So happy you'll be with your cobblestone tree. Oh, the neighbors aren't right, they're delicious, we eat bacon all night. It's nutritious, hear all of them squeal. Won't damage I deal, there's plenty to steal.
Hack and slash. Go Nuggets. Rich. Who cares if we're giving up sunlight? Cobblestone's all we need to keep things bright down here in the Nether. We love it in the Nether. You'll love it in the Nether. Don't expect to see any creepers. That's one of my favorite features down here in the Nether. We love it in the Nether. You'll love it in the Nether. You gotta know, you have to fight. Learn to play, there's mobs, but it's not night. One sword won't do it, they're gonna blast right through it. You got a potion, use it. So watch your back, I won't warn you twice. Fight the gas, ooh, make you cry. They shoot the ground around you, making holes to fall through. You know you're probably gonna in the lava again. Feels like hell the things I've just been through. Won't believe a word when I tell you know what's screwed and never. You know what's screwed and never. You know what's screwed and never. Can't believe I lost my new gear too. Think I better come and rejoin. You know what's screwed and never. You know what's screwed and never. You know what's screwed and never.
That's it! I'm sick of this place. It sucks. It's too hot. It never rains. I'm sweaty. All my clothes are dirty and filthy and on fire. I'm absolutely sick of this place. I miss nature, all the pigs and the cows and all that sheep and stuff. I didn't think I'd miss it, but I do. Oh my God! How sad. I wish I could just return to the normal world again. Bye.
I used to rule the world. Chunks would load when I gave the word. Now every night I go stowaway. Hide from the mobs I used to slay. They once were terrified. Every time I looked into their eyes, villagers would cheer my way. For a hero I was, that's what they'd say. One minute we had it all, next our world began to fall away from all that it had once become. They all cried for my help, but I stood there numb. I gazed off into the boundless skyline, no blood choirs playing in the sunshine. Turn around.